This will be the sixth in a series of electrical practice problems. In this video, we will again be looking at a problem related to a series parallel circuit. Once I am finished with these series of problems, I'll be posting them in my stand store at this web address. This will be the second half of problem number 6. I'm referring to it as 6b. This problem is going to give us an opportunity to look at a delta to Y configuration conversion again. In the previous video, we applied the delta to Y transformation for the upper delta. In this video, we are going to apply the delta to Y transformation to the lower delta. We can find the value of the Y elements using the following delta to Y equations. R1 is equal to 4k ohm, and R2 is equal to 4k ohm, and R3 is equal to 4k ohm. Replacing the delta with our new Y circuit, our circuit will now look like this. Now, the total resistance, RAB, is going to equal the 4k ohm plus the parallel combination of the quantity 6k plus 4k ohm and the quantity 18k plus 4k ohm in series with the 4k ohm and the 2k ohm resistor, giving us the equation for RAB. Dealing only with the two parallel quantities first, 6 plus 4k ohm in parallel with 18 plus 4k ohm, which reduces to 10k ohm in parallel with 22k ohm, which is the same as 10k ohm times 22k ohm divided by the quantity 10k ohm plus 22k ohm, or 220 divided by 32, which equates to 6.875 k ohm. Now, rewriting the equation, RAB is equal to the series combination of 4 plus 6.875 plus 4 plus 2, all k ohms. Adding all of these resistances gives us RAB equal to 16.875 k ohm. This video is part of my electrical technical information series. In this series, I will be covering essential topics to help you understand electrical systems. These topics are small excerpts from my courses located in my stand store, which you can access by going to this web address. Before exiting this video, I want to make you aware of some huge sales that are coming up for members of Bluetti. Bluetti is a company that specializes in portable power stations, solar generators, and battery storage systems. It offers eco-friendly and reliable power solutions for outdoor activities, emergencies, and off-grid living. Their products include high-capacity lithium batteries with multiple outlets such as USB, AC, and DC, and compatibility with solar panels, making them ideal for providing power in remote locations during power outages. Bluetti is popular among campers, RV owners, and those seeking sustainable energy solutions. Their power stations come in various sizes and capacities, catering to different energy needs. To find out more and take advantage of this sale, simply click on this web address.